In this video, I'm going to teach you how to access the new contacts campaign metrics. To do that, first head over to your marketing right here and locate the option for your campaigns. From in there, you should be able to see all the campaigns that you have available. For this case, just head over and select a campaign or start a new one if you don't have one yet. So let's head over and do this. Once you have your campaign, you should be able to see its performance, attribution, assets, and the likes. Now, from in there, you can just need to find the new contacts, wherein you can find the performance option and locate for the new contacts section to see the new contacts attributed to the campaign. It's typically added on the first asset, so make sure to add your assets through this case. Head over to the assets, click on add, and from in there, you can choose marketing emails and the likes. On this case, you can actually add it here CRM, choose contact segments, and in here, just choose your contact segments that already have those contacts that we have. Now click on save and they should be able to be added to this particular assets and those new contacts should be accessed from that as well. So that's all there is today. If you haven't signed up for HubSpot yet, make sure to use our affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next video.